Ganche salatan.
Ganche salakan.
Metu panglaji.
Metu balangje.
Hello, this is Wambo. Today I have a task. Can you guess what it is? Okay, today I will find some foreigner to teach them Tibetan. Let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Tsogyal. I'm from Kamba TV. Today I have a task. Teach you some simple words about Tibetan.
Okay.
Can you say dashi dele?
Dashi dele.
Yes. Chengdu ngachela ga.
Chengdu nachila ga.
Yes. Chengdu pepa gasesha.
Chengdu pepa geseche.
Yes. Welcome to Chengdu later. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Merci in French.
Hello. Here demo.
Hello, Chidemo.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job. Dashi dele.
Shati dile.
Yes. Samasa.
Samasta. Thank you.
Can you say dashi dele?
Dashi dele.
Yes. Samasa.
Shamasha.
Samasa. Yes, you did very good job. Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Good.
Wow, it's amazing. They can speak Tibetan very well. How do you think? What do you want they learn? Please tell us and I will teach them next time. Okay, bye.